Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Wii U error code 107-3049. The error reads, "An error has occurred. Please restart the Nintendo eShop and try again." This error occurs when players try to access the Nintendo eShop after linking their Nintendo Network ID. According to our research, the error is most likely related to account linking issues or network problems. In some cases, it may also appear if Nintendo services are temporarily down. We first suggest you try power cycling your device along with the internet and check for the error. Simply turn off your Wii U and router, then unplug them from the power source, then wait for a few minutes, then restart both devices and try accessing the eShop again. If you still have the error, then make sure your Wii U is running on the latest system version. And check for the error again. If you still get the error, then just change the password for your Nintendo Network ID account and try again. After changing the password, log back into your account and see if you can now access the eShop without the error. If the error still appears, then visit nintendo.co.jp/netinfo/n_us/index.html and check if Nintendo services are undergoing maintenance or are temporarily down. If they are, then wait until the services are back up and try again. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.